I'm on my way to Old Colwyn. My friend Jocelyn Roberts is having an open studio day. Well, she's had 3 days of it. This is the last day. I was hoping to see her sooner, but sadly I was busy doing other things. So I thought I will pop to see her today and then get more work done when I return. So hopefully Jocelyn will feature on the channel when I visit her, and she's also due to feature on the podcast soon. Jocelyn's very good at still life painting. She normally does seashells and things that she finds on the beach, bits of toys, and she has done like licorice all sorts sweets, things like that. Very nice nostalgic pieces, and kind of classically painted. Lovely, really nice colours, but my favourite of her work is the shells. I first became aware of Jocelyn when I saw her doing a painting every day for a year of the sky, which I thought was a nice idea, and that was exhibited in Bodnant Gardens. This recording's going to be chopped up so much every time I try and talk. The sat nav is like, now do this. So that's the plan. Today, the art I'm going to be making for the video will be digital. Now, it's really rare that I make any kind of digital artwork. I struggle to pick up the iPad, load up Procreate and make something. It's just outside of my comfort zone, which is a good thing to do. And unfortunately, when things are outside of my comfort zone, sometimes I can rush and be a bit sloppy and use a lack of effort for the first few times that I use some kind of media like this, and this is no exception. This is why the video is going to be called something like Lazy Scribbling, or This is Lazy Art, or something like that, because that's what this piece is. And I know that I could do better. I know there are loads of different functions on this and resources to be used to make decent artwork, but I don't utilize those. Instead, I just go very lazy with the way that I'm using it, and that's something I'm going to try and improve on. That's not to say that I didn't enjoy using the iPad in this way and using Procreate. I've used it before a couple of times to do still life work, and it was fun. Anyway, so here's the piece that I did, and it was just, you can see that I'm not using the correct brush size. I could narrow the nib or whatever this actual brush or tool is supposed to be. I'm not really familiar with the different types of marks that you can make and brushes you can use, and I'll try to work on that if I can. I didn't use the layers function, which would have really helped so that I could separate certain aspects of this figure and hone it a little bit better. So instead I just start erasing parts of it because that seemed easier than It just seemed easier than actually trying to create another layer on top where I'd make separate marks all over again. It just wasn't something that I was prepared to do. Now, I'm going to show you, this is Jocelyn's open house, and it's lovely. It's really nice to be able to look around and see not only her artwork on the wall, which well, the different walls which all sit together really well and has a kind of gallery feel to it, but also seeing in her studio, which was really nice, and I appreciated having that behind the scenes look at her environment and what she uses, and it was just lovely to see it. I even managed to capture a special moment which I thought was really sweet, so I thought on the video I'll be able to share with you something which I try to avoid filming the people's faces who were there, but still this is what happened whilst I was there.
Oh, I love the white.
Oh. Well, that was lovely. I had to leave, sadly, because I've got a parcel to pick up. So hopefully I'm going to be able to catch up with Jocelyn again soon, and we will work on collaborating on a couple of projects, because I've got some ideas to see how that goes.